All right, it is stack time, and not going as smoothly as I hoped. I'm gonna have to rebuild. Got the plasma, the grinder. I had to cut this whole panel out for the exhaust to come in this far. Otherwise, the pipes wouldn't clear the back of the cab. So what I'm gonna have to do is take some angle iron and run it up on each side. And then I'm gonna get some diamond plate cut. I'm gonna wait till the stack's in here and mounted. But then I'm gonna run the angle iron out and out. I'm gonna get a piece of diamond plate to come in right under the hole and down. Then that way the stack will be protected. And right now that's what we got. Right there, and then I'm gonna run a piece of diamond plate out and down. That way all this is protected and all this gap's filled. I did make one screw up. I had it marked. For the curve of the stack, and there's even my lines. And once I started cutting, I don't know, I went up to because I had it like this, that way I had my top line, and then I took a cardboard template and I traced out, and once I started cutting, I was holding it like this and going up. I'm like, oh crap. And well, it's too late now. So when I get the diamond plate, I might see if I can't cut a piece to fit that arch, because now I'm right back where I was. I'm squared off. But once just never done stacks before. It's gonna be my first time. So, and it wouldn't be, if I put it on this side of the headache rack, it would have been real easy. But I'm trying to put in this tight area, and I just couldn't clear this corner of the cab, so I had to cut here to move it in. How that's gonna fit, I'm gonna just have to cut that little corner right there for the pipe to come out. So that's where we're at. Now I'm not housed. Shut off my power source. Here's where we're at. I got these in. I still gotta finish welding this one. This one's welded. They're gonna sit right there, right like that. And then I'm gonna put diamond plate and cover this area right there. And that way they'll look, and I'm still gonna try cutting the groove for the stack and weld it in here. I don't like that, so I screwed up. So before I mount the stack, I'm gonna try fixing this here and do what I wanted to start with. But that's how it's gonna sit. Side kit still fits. So this will be diamond plate, the stacks here. I am going to look at trying to get on. Just this opening's going to come out right there. Alright, I'm by no means an expert with the plasma. I did do a test cut with this. I was able to cut that out, and I learned the hard way. Don't draw a line. Well, draw a line, but then brace it with something so you can skim. I know people can freehand it, and I can't. And so I'm by no means an expert at this, but I'm gonna go and cut this off. This is the panel I cut out. it's gonna be a little narrow, but you know, I mean, I bought it to haul shit, so. Okay, no means an expert. I am gonna have to clean it up with a grinder. So take the grinder, get this cleaned up, and then I'm gonna get it centered where I want it, and I'll weld that in. I'm not gonna put this piece in just yet. I have to, but I gotta wait till I can get the holes drilled and all that. Yeah, go ahead, make critiques about my welding. I am not a welder. I'm kind of teaching myself as I go, and I don't think they look too awful bad, but again, sorry, I gotta talk over that. All right, I still have to cut this to go like that, and I'm gonna cut the curve in it for the pipe here, and then what's left I'm gonna re-weld in these pieces right here that I accidentally cut out. I sprayed it with high temp engine heat. I am gonna paint the whole headache rack, but it's 50 degrees out, so I'm doing what I can, and that's all painted. So this will go on the stack, and then this is going to bolt right here. Then the stack will come down. I still have to cut that piece in there, but we are set up for the stack now. And once I get this bolted down and in place, then I'll cut this piece to fit here, because slow process. I'm probably going to break this up into parts. This will probably be then to part one, and I'm not going to show doing the other side. I'll show the end result, but it's going to turn out just like this. Hopefully. I got this one cut out, figured I'd just add it. That's what it was supposed to look like with the arch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the arch on cardboard, because here's where the line was. So I just got to cut pieces that match this, and here's the line here. I just got to match these two arch pieces here to weld over on that side so I can get my arch back. I fixed the headache rack right there. So I'll get that pounded down, straightened out, but I already got one in here. I just got, it ain't fully welded. I gotta get the other one in on this side, and we'll get to the same as that, and then we'll start getting the stacks mounted. My cleanest cut to date. Been working with a guy, he's not an expert at it. He's a hobbyist, and he turned around and he's been telling me, well, try this, try this, try this. And one pass, and I got it to cut. So that's my cleanest cut to date. Very happy with that. I still need to do work at it, but oh, a lot better from when I started on that side. Well, for the most part, that's one mounted. There is going to be a fill plate that I'm going to cut. It's going to come out just like this. but I'm going to cut this notch, but this I'm going to just bolt here. And that way this will all be diamond plate here too. You'll just see the bolts. There's enough room for it to sit there. But that's it. I'm no fabricator by any means. I never claimed I was, but that's how she's going to be.